Hello and welcome to my channel Daily Tarot. And this is going to be your next quarter money career reading for Sun, Moon, and Rising Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Basically, this is the reading for Earth signs, for Pentacles. This is going to be your group general reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And yes, in case you want to have a personal private read with me or a hypnotherapy session or a healing session, you may connect with me from the description box below. It has all the details. And if you really like what I do on the channel, please do like, subscribe the channel and put on the notifications. Now I have already shuffled up the cards with the energies, and now I'm just going to read the reading for Taurus, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Let us see what messages do we have for the next quarter. This reading is from January to March 2025, and this is specifically your money, career, and finances. Now let us see what messages do we have. We have Taurus, we have a door to romance for you, and we also have seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel. That means yes, with you also have the presence of number 6 and number 5. Now number 6 is definitely going to bring lot of comfort, lot of luxury to you when you talk about the professional opportunities, when you talk about the career opportunities. This also means that in something you are very easy to do, you are very comfortable to do, those kind of opportunities will come forward, because 6 is the number of Venus, and the card is also door to romance. Taurus, the next quarter you will be more aligned to something you are really passionate about or you love doing about. It is going to be a very creative and an innovative kind of period for you. However, you also have the the seventh chakra, the crown chakra, in the reading, which says that maybe you will doubt the results, or maybe you will doubt the outcome or the final output of what you are liking or what you are passionate about. That might not give you immediate money, because what you are doing or what you will be doing will be slightly different from the the actual bread and butter. But slowly and steadily, once you will get settled down into something creative and innovative of your choice, it will get settled down. And the period which is coming to my angelic communication, when I was inquiring about the period within myself, that for how long you need to wait for the materialistic gain to see, and that is going to take with 7 to 8 months. And say by January you are trying to do something you are passionate about, by September, October you will start reaping the results of the new creation, the new innovation. However, this also goes to people who are already into the profession or the career of their choice. So you will be more creative, or you will be doing something extraordinary, which is just for your passion, which is just for your hobby, or which is just that yes, this is something I would like to do for rest of my life. So there is a shift, little shift. I will not say a complete shift to your career or profession, but you will slightly move towards something which you are passionate about doing, and the immediate result might take little time. This card also tells you that, if your heart is telling you something, follow that, and slowly and slowly and steadily you will see that once you are surrendered, that this is something you are aligning your career and your soul life purpose, slowly and steadily your trust, your faith in divine is going to get very strong, and that is going to give results to you for sure. It also talks about healing your crown chakra, what you believe for yourself, what you believe that you deserve it. So when you have chakra cards in any energy oracle card reading, I always tell people to do some self healing as well. If you can take the healing services, fine, from anybody for that matter. If not, then you may do your own healing. From there are a lot of YouTube meditations, and there are a lot of stuff on internet. You may do some crown chakra meditation for yourself, so that the energy flow wisely and you are also free flowing with whatever is coming to your heart. From another oracle, you do have a card of 5 of Michael. Now, this 5 and 5 number is coming into your reading again. 5 is the number of Mercury, and Mercury represents the communication. Communication is very important in professional life. This card says that yes, Next 3 months, how you communicate, how you present yourself, how you present your ideas, your thoughts is going to be very crucial for you. So be very careful that you are quite professional and you are talking to people to the point, making yourself immensely, effective. With this Five of Pentacle, there could be also, some concerns or issues related to, the little conflicts, disagreements over thought process, over difference of opinion. And the card says this situation does not deserve you. It's time for you to release the outcome to the attachment to the outcome. What will I get if I follow my heart? What will I receive if I follow my own creation and innovation? Surrender is something which is reconfirmed into your reading, Taurus. And the card says consider taking a more uplifting approach by releasing the attachment to the goals. Just follow your heart. And I understand that yes, money is very important for bread and butter. Keep doing what you're currently doing. Slightly take this shift in time to come. Now let us see what messages do we have for Taurus from your tarot reading. We do have Wheel of Fortune. The time changes, the planet changes, the movement changes for better because the follow-up card is Two of Pentacle. Now there is a planetary movement from January to March which will help you to meet someone known from your family, friend, professional network, social network. This is actually representing a partnership, an association, an engagement, a business venture, or a joint venture with somebody who the person knows you, you guys like each other, you wanted to work together, and suddenly you decide that, okay, this is the time I wanted to create something new, let's join hand. So, yes, this is definitely going to happen in the next 3 months. I will suggest you to do some research before you finally say yes to this kind of association and do your homework nicely. This card does not say that you immediately say yes to something which is coming your way. Yes, if you feel that that is aligning with your career, your innovation, your creativity, your passion, simultaneously you're not investing just like that. You're investing your energy, you're investing your skills, competencies, then go ahead. But this is a very, very strong tarot energy oracle card reading, and the overall reading is quite impressive. It's a good period. It is also the period when your emotions will be little high. The emotions will be overwhelming. I do see, Taurus, that you are thinking a lot from your heart perspective, which is no there is no harm in that. But what I am trying to share with you that the money career finance is out and out a practical, rational, and a logical aspect of our life. So even though you are flowing with the emotions, something more is coming to your heart. Please give a thought to it clearly, and then have a holistic approach in making that forward. Think practically, see your pocket, and then move accordingly, that how soon you can afford that shift. Or you may start something parallel or as a side venture, and then slowly and steadily after 7 to 8 months, when you feel you're settled, you're earning from it, then you might shift. But either ways, if you're working nicely in your professional environment, you will move to some work which is going to be close to your heart, because how your heart is playing a major role in the next 3 months. So maybe the affirmations, the inner soul even calls what is going to come in our life next. I will see you next time very soon, Taurus. I really hope that your next 3 months is going to be a good month. And yes, I have already uploaded the yearly reading. The yearly reading for 2025. Go and shower some love whenever you have some time. And I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed. It's now time for my lovely Virgo people out there. Virgo, you have a brilliant energy card with the door to value. Now, this is going to be a wonderful time period for you, Virgo. This was a flyer when I was shuffling the energy oracle card. That means you will be poured with materialistic gain, materialistic abundance, which you can really see in the next 3 months. This calls a big profit on your investments, a big profit coming from the real estates like property, a big money coming up with new projects. And I do feel this door to value is going to add great figure to your incoming income as well. And this card is also an indication that the money resources are going to increase in the next quarter. So the year 2025 is going to be a very blessed year for you as far as money, career, and finances is concerned. And the other message card today you have for this particular reading is also the angel of balance, and I have taken the flyer for the financial constraints which was there into your reading. Now though you will have good money into your hand, but how you use that money, how you further invest that money, how you further save that money, how you pour that money, how you use the outflow of the money, that is going to be very, very important. The balance in that particular aspect is very, very important. It should not be like that you are spending just like that the money coming in on your luxury, comfort, and there is no usage, because you also have a card of financial constraint. And in between, because I pulled out the clarifier card for the financial constraint, and it says that the inflow is going to increase, but how you use it, it all depends. If you are lavishly using on the things which you don't require, it may lead to some kind of financial constraint. So the incoming is more in the next 3 months, but you have to keep a very cautious and a very clear call on the outgoing as well for the complete period. Now let us see what other oracle message do we have for you. We have two of Gabriel, and the card says make bold and ambitious choices. Great progress is definitely possible in the next quarter. Important relationship with people who share your vision. Now if you see, there are, there is no dearth of opportunities coming your way, but how you are choosing from the available options, how you're choosing from the opportunities coming your way, that is going to be very, very important for you. With this, you also have number 4, you also have another number 4, and then you have 444 into your reading. Now when you have 444 into your reading, it says that this is a period when you need to mind your direction, you need to mind your speed. That means in the next 3 months, the next quarter, how you choose your path, how you choose your next step, how you choose your next direction is going to set the path for the complete year 2025. Because suddenly there is going to be an increase in money, suddenly there is going to be increase in resources from where you are going to get money. The money materialistic figures will also go up, but how you are pouring it further, what direction you are taking, are you listening to your well-wishers, advisors, that is also going to be very, very important. Because when we have 444 in a reading, how you choose the direction is going to be the path setter for you. And when we have this reading, in general cases, it do happens that people start spending, on the things which are not necessary. So you have to keep a balance, because you already have a card of angel of love balance into your reading. That means even if you love something, you have to be very careful and practical with the usage of the resources you already have. Now let us see what messages do we have with tarot reading. We do have a card of Fool's Journey, and you also have a card of 5 of Pentacle. Now see, this card is again giving you an indication that there could be some money loss, there could be some relationship loss, and the Fool is an indication. Now Virgo, this is a very important reading for you. Next 3 months, you might start something new wherein you are capable, but Fool has a tendency of falling when Fool is very casual with the new journey and is not that practical, because Fool is in his own thought and feels that I know everything. So when you have this Fool energy, which is being followed by 5 of Pentacle, which says if you will not be careful with your choices, if you will ignore the advice of the well-wishers, people you think are more experienced, people you think are more, learned from you, if you ignore that, then you might encounter the loss of the opportunity, relationship, and even money. Now, Fool has a tendency of slipping, which means that if Fool is not giving enough thought to his actions, his moves, his strategy, then the strategy may go haywire. So there are a lot of, the best part of your reading the next 3 months is incoming is better, the start is better, but how you implement, how you involve yourself with people's suggestion, learning, experience, and exposure, that is going to be a challenge in the next 3 months. So don't be overconfident next 3 months. Don't be over analyzing, over assuming, and don't be overconfident with your own knowledge and skills. Just try to recheck what best can be done yet, next for yourself. So overall, it's a very good reading, but then the reading is coming up with lots of precautions. The reading is coming with lot of information to you. The reading says that the start will have lot of support from the resources you have, from the divine support you have, because everything will be arranged for you, because you are destined to start a new beginning. But how you finally make the path for yourself, how you finally use the help or the support which is coming your way, that is going to be very, very crucial for you. So Virgo, you have to be extraordinary cautious, because if you see your reading, you're well, good, lucky, and very fortunate in the next 3 months. But how you use that luck, how you use that fortune by implementing, completely being practical, listening to your well wishers, your seniors, your elders, advisors, that is going to be very, very crucial. And since your cards are like that, I will tell you to invest your skills and competencies, but be very mindful, be very careful when you are using your hard earned money, which you already have from your savings or you might receive in the next 3 months. I wish you all the very best, Virgo people. And yes, I have also uploaded the yearly reading 2025 on the channel. Go and shower some love on that. And if you need a personal private read for yourself, my details are mentioned in the description box below. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed. It's time for my lovely Capricorn people out there. Capricorn, in your energies, you do have a contract coming in, and you also have man holding a coin. Capricorn, this is a wonderful read for you. It's a very practical energy oracle card, and we are doing the money career reading, which means next 3 months you're going to get a contract of your choice, which is going to give you a very big hike in money, the robust money, the materialistic contract, the materialistic gain as per your power, as per your competency. When I say as per your power, the thing which you deserve in your professional life, your competencies, your skills will be repaid well, very well in the next quarter. Now the card is also having the number 6 and number 7. Now, let me decode these numbers for you, because I have changed the way I need to explain it to you so that you understand the reality of numerology into a tarot reading, which plays a very important role. The blend is very important when we blend the numerology numbers into the reading. 6 is going to bring luxury, comfort to you, but 7 is also going to bring the spiritual awakening. That means the work which you will be now doing, Capricorn, will definitely bring money, will definitely bring the prestige, the name, fame you wanted to have, because 6 is a number of comfort, luxury, name, and fame. And since we are doing the money career reading, that is bound to come into your reading. But 7 says that you will also learn more from that wisdom. There will be a lot of self inner awareness, awakening will be there, that okay, this is the way I'm getting name, fame, and how things are changing externally. You learn from the external change which is happening around you, because your own planet, your own stars is getting changed. Overall, this is a very good and a very powerful reading. You will get the work of your choice, you will get the contract, the project, the job, the opportunities of your choice. But the best part is that it will come not just by luck. You have earned that opportunity by your robust work, by your hard work, by the strength you have shown into your work, by the learning, by the the performance. You are standing with your skills today. And then there is a lot of change in the external world for you. People have a different eye for you in the next 3 months. And then it is going to build, along with money, it is going to bring a lot of spiritual awakening. The perspective is broaden up, your wisdom, your maturity will change, the way you deal with people with so much of inner experience and exposure awakening, that is going to change overall for sure. From the card of other oracle card, you do have 2 of Raphael. So there will be a lot of opportunities to work together, because once your name and fame increases, improves, your presence in your world, your professional world, at your career front, that do changes for sure. And that attracts a lot of new people to approach you, to join hands for ventures, for opportunities, to build up a team. And that is going to be very, very lucky for you. So be open. If people are coming, they are approaching you, be very open, neutral, because yes, they are coming because you have created that space for your name, fame, and space for yourself in the world. It says two hearts dedicated to creating something wonderful is going to happen very soon. Kindred spirit, don't give up on those you love. So people who are getting, attracted towards your presence, towards your charisma, towards your the presence in the world, they will have an opportunity to connect with you. And just be very open that how beautifully, your skill, your talent will be used in the year 2025. Now 2025 is also the year of number 9, Mars. Just keep up your hard work up, because Capricorn, hard work is the most important key to success in the year 2025, which is number 9, which is number Mars, and which is the symbol of hard work, fire, and passion for yourself. Let us see what energies do we have, or messages do we have into a tarot reading. We do have 4 of cups. Now the opportunities could be such that you feel that, oh, I have done it all, I have seen it all, I'm no more interested, and I will see whether I have to say yes or no. But see, it's a divine hand. When you have 4 of cup, the opportunity comes not by choice, by your choice. The opportunity comes because the nature feel it is the right time for you to still explore some newness into the existing, skill set you have, into the existing experience you have. So please buy some good time in weighing what is the pros and cons for the opportunities coming your way, and it will be worth exploring because it is coming to you via nature. And the other card you have is a card of strength. Yes, the patience. Next 3 months are going to be the most beautiful month for you, Capricorn. How you use that particular period with lot of strength, with lot of courage, with lot of boldness, with lot of calculated risk and maturity, that I'll not say no to anything. I'll see how I have to handle my contacts, how I have to handle my network, what more can be done with the opportunities coming your way. Maybe it is not so appropriate with my existing skill, but still, the association is very prestigious. The brand which is coming is very prestigious. The association might open up new doors for me, new opportunities for me. Just be open to explore and operate from a very positive mind, which is only and only thinking about affirmation of creating something new and positive. But Capricorn, I must say, your next quarter is a very fruitful quarter. New opportunities, good money coming your way, better contacts coming your way, which is going to give you those opportunities which you have created for your own self just by your hard work. Maybe you're waiting for people to approach you, and they might approach you, but after working, they will know your worth better. So just explore what is coming your way and try to create more and more contacts with people who are approaching you for any kind of work next quarter. Capricorn, you have a wonderful reading, and I wish you all the very best for the year 2025. I have already uploaded your yearly reading on the channel. You may go and see those readings and shower some love. And very soon I'm also going to do the birthday readings from number 1 to 9. I will see you next time very soon, Capricorn people. Be blessed.